breakfast, right, Shelby?
Yep, have bagel egg
There. And a muesli fruit and yogurt. Nice. Look how this place is called Family Bakeries. But it's hilarious because the menu is exactly the same as a place in Nong Khiaw called Bakery Cafe on the Mekong. I asked the lady if it's related, but she said no. But it's like identical, the prices are the same, it's very bizarre. Anyway, maybe they saw how good of an idea it was in Nong Khiaw, so they just did it here as well. Anyway, very tasty. We pack our bags again and we're gonna
You want to ask where you had that made?
Drive up.
Checking out the quality.
We're gonna drive up the Namu River and go up to Muang Ngoi. We walked past the road earlier today and it looks like they've improved the road a bit, which is good, but we won't know till we get on. It shouldn't be too long of a ride. It's actually a pretty fun ride. Alrighty folks, there's the road. So here's main Nong Khiaw. Turkey, hello. Here's the Nong Khiaw main area. Well, the restaurant area on the other side of the bridge. And this is the dirt road that's going to take us up to Muang Ngoi. We've done it before in about an hour and a half when it's dry. Today is definitely dry, but when it's wet it can take up to like 3 to 4 hours, just because it's very, very slippery in some sections. Ask Sophie. Sophie can tell her story later about the slippery road over here, but since it's dry it should take us about an hour, hour and a half. Depends how much we stop and take photos and whatnot, but there it is. And here we go. We're all packed up, ready to go. It's 11:11 right now, so make a wish. And then see you guys in Muang Ngoi. Not even 5 minutes in, the road's blocked. That's not convenient. And the funny thing is, it's not blocked because the road fell down. They're actually digging it and purposely blocked it because they're making the road wider here. The thing is, you'd think they would like maybe do it in a way that they don't block the whole road. They can only do a little bit at a time, and so people can still go through. But let's see, I'm about to ask around here and see how long it's going to take for them to open it up again. Danger. So our favorite, we're definitely gonna get a nice big piece of dessert later after.